Hi, this is Nick at Fast Lane Automotive Sales with a closer look at this 2007 Pontiac Vibe. Here to show you a bit of the exterior. Comes with an automatic transmission, 4-cylinder engine, CD player, AC, very nice and reliable car. And once again, thank you for watching. This is Nick at Fast Lane Automotive Sales.